catching feelings, baby.
What's up, loves? It's your girl Aaliyah Monique, and like the title says, we are about to install this baby from my previous video, so let's jump right into it. If you watched my other install video, which if you haven't, you definitely should, but not now, girl, definitely after the video, you would know that I am all about keeping my closure flat. So I'm going to go in with my flat iron and curly iron, along with some plucking and contouring on that middle part and the hairline of the closure, giving us very much scalp. Okay, you'll see in a second. So now my girl is really looking good. I know y'all can tell the difference because I definitely can. That flat iron works every time. I'm telling you. I can't wait to try her on, so let's go ahead and get comfortable. Whew, that's better. So I'm going to be going in with my Got To Be spray, my even edge control, an edge brush, a razor, and some scissors. And I'm about to do it like it's my birthday, y'all. not even gonna hold y'all. I had to do them edges off camera because the struggle gets real for me and baby hairs. Oh, I'm tripping. Let me go get dolled up and meet y'all back here. Sorry. We are done. We are done. Me and my girl are finally one, and no lie, she feels amazing and looks even better. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and help your girl on 100 subs so I can drop this cash giveaway. Oh, and don't forget to like this video. See you later, babes.